Hello, and welcome to the City Corner Fountain View Suite at Vdara. So, right as you walk into the room, you have a dining table for 4, as well as a kitchen. Comes with lots of storage space. All of these are empty for you to put your stuff in. It does have a sink, a 4-top burner, a mini fridge that's stocked with the items that you can pay for, a dishwasher, and a full-size refrigerator and freezer for you to put any of your own drinks in. Very spacious. If you do need any pans, you can call down to the front desk and they'll bring any pots or pans that you need for cooking as well. Straight off of the kitchen, we enter the bathroom. This is a little area where you can get ready. Here is your closet. You do get robes and then slippers as well. Also where the safe is located. And then just to the left, you have your shower and your bathroom. The bathroom does not have its own door, but it does have the main door that you can close right here. A nice soaking tub. And then on the other side of the vanity to get ready, you have your sinks, double sinked. It leads straight into the bedroom where you have a desk, a chair, a TV, and then your king size bed. That is my pillow. It does not come with the pillow. Straight off of here, you have your living area. This is a fold-out bed, so you can sleep extra guests if you would like. You have another TV, and then between the kitchen and the living space, you do have a washer and a dryer. And with the City Corner fountain view, obviously there's going to be a fountain view. So here's your first view. Looking over at the Cosmopolitan, you can see one of their pools. And this is the tram that takes you from Aria down to Bellagio. And then, of course, this is the Bellagio Fountain. I will get some footage of it later. It's not on yet. It starts at 3 p.m. and it's currently like 1:30. So gotta wait a little bit for that. But it's a very open window. Makes you feel like the room's a lot bigger than it is. And it's already big to begin with. Can't wait to give the soaking tub a try. Always love when a room has that. But yeah. So that is the main portion of the room. There is also a little closet right here that I forgot to show. This little closet, you can like hang your clothes in easier where it's not gonna get in the way with your luggage down there. But yeah, so I will see you guys later. I'll throw some footage into of just like close-ups of everything so that you guys can see that. Okay, we'll see ya. Okay, good morning guys. We are gonna go grab some breakfast at this place called Salt and Ivy. It's located over at Aria, and I'm gonna get it to go and then bring it back to the room. So I will show you a little clip of what the food looks like.
Okay, so with that food that we just ate, it was amazing. I had the chicken and waffles. It was so good. I loved the flavor of the chicken, and then you can't go wrong with a Belgian waffle. And then my parents had the pancakes and the eggs and bacon and hash browns, and they said that it was really, really good as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's a place called Salt and Ivy, and it's over at Aria. Very easy walk to go get some food. You can eat it there, or you can bring it back to your room. I'm getting ready right now. And after this, I am going to go check out the pool and the fitness center, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I just wanted to update you guys. When I went down to the pool was closed. I don't know if it's open on the weekends or if it's closed all the time, but there is a sign there that says that you can go over to Aria and you can use their pool. So I believe Aria has a couple pools that are open right now, and it's, like I said, a short walk. I mean, it's probably 5 minutes, maybe 6 or 7 minutes at the most from your room. So really easy to get over there. Wish it was open, but I got a little video from the outside. That's all that I got though. All right guys, so I wanted to show you a couple of the views from the room on how to get to some other hotels. So with Vdara being the sister property of Aria, if you actually go downstairs, go straight out the front doors, there is a sidewalk if you stick to the left that takes you straight to Aria. It only takes, I'd say, probably 5 minutes total to get from your room to the gaming floor at Aria. It's really quick. It's a short walk outside. You can actually see how close it is. It is going to be that hotel right there. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out and show you guys the little walkway out front where you can cross over to Aria. So you just come right out the main exit. And that is going to be Aria right over there. So to the left, there is this cool little sidewalk. And it just takes you all the way around over here. And it's a very short walk, which is what I like about this, because yeah, you're not in a hotel that has a casino, which for me, that's the reason that I come to Vegas. But you are like in such a short distance walk from it that it really makes sense, because you get all the extra space in the room if you stay here at Vdara. And all the rooms are suites, which is awesome. So yeah, I'd much rather just stay at a place like Vdara and then walk over to Aria because it's such a short walk. So yeah, not a bad walk at all. It took 3 minutes and 35 seconds. And then also there's a walkway from the inside of Vdara to Bellagio, because this is Bellagio and that other building back there is also Bellagio, But this is the little walkway. It is outdoors, but it's covered and shaded, so it's nice. And again, it's really quick. It takes a little bit longer to get to the casino floor because the casino floor is not in this first building. It is, let's see, over in that back building. So it takes a little bit longer to get to the casino floor, but you're still there in under 10 minutes. So right when you enter the Vdara, there's this Starbucks, and that's the way to the Bellagio. The hotel rooms are over there, so if you're coming from that way, you can just make your way right over here. And this pathway takes you down to the Bellagio. Some of it's indoor, some of it's outdoor. I believe it's only outdoor for a quick second though. That is the tram that I was talking about. So that tram takes you back to the Crystal Shops or over to Park and Aria. But if you come straight down this escalator, hi. Once you're down this escalator, you just stay over here and follow this around, and it will take you all the way to the casino. Okay guys, I did want to show you, because my parents this whole time have been staying right next door to me, but this is the front door that I came in. This area is their room actually, they're connected. So that's their front door. And their room is a little bit different. It is the base room here, but it has the fountain view as well, obviously, because they can still see the fountain. So it's a little studio. And then you have the bed area. There is a TV on both sides of this, which I thought was pretty cool. They've been watching TV separate, so it's kind of funny that there's two TVs. And then you have a single sink right in the center, toilet, shower area. The shower is the exact same pretty much, except the bench is over there instead of up against this wall. But you also get a soaking tub, you just don't get the cool view. So yeah. And then I think this is that's a locked door. You can't go in there, so don't try. This is their real closet. Oh, and all the rooms have extra bedding because the couches are fold-out beds. It too has a safe. And then the kitchen is just a little bit smaller. It still has the table with 4 seats. It doesn't have the full-size fridge. It has, let's see if I can move this bag. It has 1 mini fridge. And then this is the stocked mini fridge, but unfortunately the unit in their room was broken. But we didn't want to get it fixed since we were connected. They just used the big fridge in there.
It has looks like a double burner stovetop. They still have the microwave, still have some cabinet space up above and down below, and a sink. So yeah, it was really nice because having these two rooms, we have this, and then you walk straight from that kitchen to this kitchen. And obviously you guys have seen this room before.
All right, we have reached the last morning. I have to pack, but I wanted to give you guys a little review of what I thought of the room. Total, I ended up paying $102. That's the resort fee for 2 nights. They comped the room for me, so that's pretty cool. Didn't have to pay for the actual room, just the resort fee. And they also gave me $200 worth of free play to use and $50 worth of room credit where I can charge different things to my room. And it actually worked, unlike Excalibur's, so that was nice. Yeah, it was really, really nice. I liked having 2 separate areas of like living and sleeping. Also, the kitchen was awesome because I just got to come in here and sit down. I didn't really cook anything, but I brought food up here and sat on the table, and it was nice to have a place to sit and a fridge that I was able to stock, and it wasn't just like a little mini fridge or having to go get ice and fill a cooler. So it was really nice. The bathroom, huge bathroom, loved it. The soaking tub was super nice, really relaxing. And then just watching the fountain from my room, and all in all, it was just an amazing stay, and it might be my new favorite hotel on the Strip. I used to think Aria was my favorite, but this one's just a little bit bigger, and it's a sister property of Aria. So Aria and Vdara are doing great, but I loved this room. So I will see you guys next time.